sharing. There's a newfound conviction in them. Are you all that they make you to be? And just one more question. Allow me this question. Could you be Messiah? Please be Messiah to me. Now I've been looking for someone like you, and I'm so tired, I'm tired. I've read every book and I've sung every song. My mind may be right, but my heart feels so wrong. Tell me, how much further can my life go along? Which way do the road leads? Where do I belong? Are you forgiven all my most unknown secrets? Provide all that I need. Could you be brother, the one who knows better? Would you now stand equally when all this is over? All the thunders I need in the daylight just watch when I see the answers to all my questions, to all of my questions. Could you be Messiah to me? Could you be Messiah to me? Could you be Messiah? Please be Messiah to me.